yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yo, 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 yo. I say still I stand. Hey, it's shouted here I am. Hey, never had you seen in your lifetime a more divine southern rapper with a swag like mine. Facing all kind of time, but smile like I'm fine. Brag with such passion and shine without trying. Believe me, pain's a small thing to a giant. I was born without a dime. Out the gutter I climbed, spoke my mind and didn't stutter one time. At least even the greatest gotta suffer sometimes. So I huff and puff rhyme, lyrics so sick with it, set the standard in Atlanta how to get it. So you up and coming rappers wanna diss, just kill it. I'm officially the realest, point blank period. Whether I still live in the hood or just visit, whatever you can do in the hood, I done did it. That's why the dope boys and the misfits feel it. Distill it, city longest tip living. Listen, I ain't dead, no, I ain't done, no, I ain't scared, I ain't run, still I stand, yeah, no matter what, people, and here I am, yeah, no matter what, but I ain't break, never, I ain't fold, no, they hate me more, so yeah, I know, here I go, yeah, no matter what, shout it, here I go, no matter what, shout it, hey, you let the blog sites and the magazines tell it, I'm sure to be in jail till 2027, rather see me in a cellin' instead of this new McLaren. Gotta take you through hell just to get you to heaven. So even though it's heavy to load, I will carry. Grin and still bear it, win and still share it. Apologies to the fans, I hope you can understand it. Life can change your directions, even when you ain't planned it. All you can do is handle it, worst thing you can do is panic. Use it to your advantage, avoid insanity, manage to conquer every obstacle, make impossible possible. Even when winning's illogical, losing still far from optional. And yeah, they wanna see you shot up in the hospital, but when life throw punches, block your counter like a boxer do. Been locked inside because of too long. I did a song to make it known that the king lives on, pimpin'. I ain't dead, no, I ain't done, no, I ain't scared, I ain't run, still I stand, yeah, no matter what, and here I am, yeah, no matter what, but I ain't break, never, I ain't fold, no, they hate me more, so yeah, I know, here I go, yeah, no matter what, shout it, here I go, no matter what, shout it, hey, even in solitude, they still know how to do. I show you how to do what you do, you ain't got a clue. All you do is follow dudes, sound like a lot of dudes. I weather whatever storm, make it out without a bruise. I understand why, now when my hands tied, they take shots, cause if I'm out there it's a landslide. But revenge is best served as a cold dish, and suckers will get served, better know this. Guess it was understood, for me it was over with, but I don't quit. If you ain't noticed yet, they couldn't wait to say good night, shout it, so they could try to rhyme, act and look like shout it. Don't get a beat from Toomp and make a hook like shout it. Before you know it, I'm back, what it look like, shout it. I lost my partner and my daughter in the same year. Somehow I rise above my problems and remain here. Yeah, and I hope the picture painted clear. If your heart filled with faith, then you can't feel. Wonder how I face years and I'm still chillin' easy. Let go and let God deal with it. I ain't dead, no.